Labour Party National Working Committee, led by Alhaji Bashiru Lamidi Apapa, who do not dignify this false publication, laced with deliberate falsehood or consider it necessary to react to such an epistle of personal bitterness, ignorance, and complete unintelligent outburst. But for the benefit of the few in the public who may innocently be misinformed by this ethically rusty and morally deprived social misfit and miscreant. Abure, for the record, have been restrained by the FCTI court on April 4th, 2023, over allegation of forgery of the seal of the Chief Judge of the FCTI court, forgery of the signature and stamp of the Commissioner for Oath FCTI court, and production of his own receipt purported to be from the Treasury single account of the Federal Government of Nigeria, and also criminal conspiracy. Thus, it is not new to us that he can further engages himself in a cheap blackmail to gain public sympathy in order to cover up his criminal track. We challenge him at least to produce a copy of the engagement letter signed by the Acting National Chairman and National Secretary to the lawyer they claim filed the notice of discontinuation, and we also demanded within 48 hours a copy of the process filed to discontinue the said petition that our presidential candidate has filed before the tribunal. It is necessary at this point to let them know that Court of Appeal is a court of public opinion. Whatever that is filed there, we hereby plead with them to apply for the certified true copy since it is a public document. So, Abure, you have only 48 hours to produce, one, the letter you claim we gave a lawyer to engage him to fight discontinuation, and the process that he filed before the Election Petition Tribunal. Then let it also be known that our NWC will not be intimidated by these wicked lies, but we are quick to point out that it is a well-orchestrated plan by the corrupt Abure to incite violence and chaos in order to make Nigeria ungovernable. We want to make it clear that Labour Party will not engage in verbal war with those. Now, from on the 10th day of May 2023, this I want to alert the Director General of DSS and the Inspector General of Police that from on the 10th day of May 2023, Abure Transport Company, known as Everready Transport, has been engaged to ferry mercenaries into Abuja to cause mayhem and disrupt the peace and harmony that we enjoy in our country. They will make Nigeria to believe these are the obedient members coming to fight with us on their purported allegation that we want to withdraw the suit. It is not so, as I am alerting the Federal Government of Nigeria, I am alerting the Director General of DSS, I am alerting the Inspector General of Police, that Abure Transport Company, Everready, is located in Utako. They should now keep a watch on him from on the 10th, as they will be moving in faceless people into Abuja in order to cause mayhem on the phantom belief that they are coming to do protest. It is not a protest. It is just to overthrow democracy in Nigeria. It is to make Nigeria unstable for their own, selfish desire. So, lastly, Labour Party stand by presidential candidate Mr. Peter Obi only on the Election Petition Tribunal cases. We are not with Mr. Peter Obi when it comes to anything that will bring Abure back into Labour Party as national chairman. We are with him concerning our election petition. And we are not with anybody in Labour Party in any act that could undermine the peace, unity, and progress of our dear nation. We stand by one Nigeria. We will remain Labour Party and will remain obedient only to the Constitution of Federal Government of Nigeria and not to any other person.